Don't worry, it's not corona.
Welcome again. Today I'll be doing, like I told you guys in my previous video, I'll be doing a makeup using eyeshadow glitters or glitter eyeshadow, whatever they call it, and I'll be making mine right here. So if you're watching me, do it right here, and when I'm done you'll see how I apply it. So today we'll be going for hollow eyes, you know. So let's just get right into the video so don't end up wasting so much time. Yeah, before we get into the video proper, please, if you like my gele, if you like this gele and you want to learn how I do it, so just let me know in the comment section below. And I really want to thank you guys that have been supporting me, encouraging me. I've been getting more comments in my videos of late on Instagram. I love you guys. Mwah! I really don't know what to do for you. So guys, let's get right into the video, okay? Something from the way I applied my highlighter. You find that I didn't really go all the way applying it to this side, because when you do that, you know, when you begin to blend it out, it covers down to your cheek area, which isn't what you want. You just want to highlight this area. So it's always advisable that you just, you know, highlight this area. Then when you blend out, you can now get it to stop just where you want it to stop. Okay, so next I'm going to do just to you know, finish off my face. We'll be applying our eyeshadow, and I'm going to be placing some white powder right here to catch the fallout. So I actually applied some white powder on this area. You can make it more defined, but I did it this way just to create, you know, more cheekbones, so that my cheekbones should be more pronounced. So that's the reason why I did it the way I did it. So now let's get right into the video. I'm just going to finish up this eye as usual, then I'll come back and show you guys how I did this. So we're actually done with this eye, so I'll be repeating whatever we had here on this other eye. So stay back so you can see how I created this look. So first thing first is to just prime this eye. So I'm actually applying this makeup all over, like so, because of the eye makeup we're actually going for. So next I'm going to be doing is to apply a color that is very close to my eyebrows color shade. So next I'm going to be using this color. It's actually by Classic. So I'm just going to swirl my brush over it, and now we can start creating our transition color. So I'm not just going to stop here. I'm going to go right under my eyes as well. So I'm just going to keep blending this out. So, and I'm using a light, I'm not adding so much pressure on my brush. This eyeshadow I'll be using is this, also by Sleek. I'm sorry, my whole Sleek makeup is so messed up. So I'm going to be using the kind of coffee shade right here. So I'm just going to place this right here. And I'm also going to place it on the inner corner, and I will also go under my eyes with it. So the next thing is to blend it out. So I'm using the same brush I used to apply my transition color, and I'll use it to start blending it out. look. This is actually called the Halo Eyes, and in my next video I'll be doing a tutorial on neon liner, how to make your own neon liner. So if you feel you're very much interested in such kind of stuff, just keep watching. Okay guys, so I would want you guys to have a wonderful day. It's actually about to rain here, and thank you so much. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Mwah, mwah. And yeah, before we do the final kissing bye bye, please, if you want me to do any video for you, let me know in the comment section, okay? Because it would be my pleasure to help you guys out there, especially those that are still coming up. It will be my pleasure to help you guys out there.